What up, guys? Well, typical 240 things, doing 240 things. So, where I left off yesterday is we were done with the clutch line. I was going to mow the grass because it's way too tall. I'm not even going to keep it over there so it focuses. Anyways, I was going to pull the 240 out so I can get the lawnmower out. And I go to crank it, and it won't start. So now we got other issues. I'm just trying to help you out, 240. Why don't you let me help you out? I see the starter has power going to it, and then when I turn the car on, I can hear the fuel pump prime, and then I click it over to start, and I hear the fuel pump just, doing its thing, and I hear the relays click when I turn the ignition, but the starter does not start. Tapped on the starter solenoid, nothing. I'm gonna try and jump it manually before I change this stuff out. But here is my terminal. This goes to the battery in the trunk, and then it's my terminal for all my power stuff I need. Well, this has been grinding away in there. You can't see it, but the insulation is damaged down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with 4 gauge. We should get better power delivery now, and this is just honestly better wire than that. That's like Home Depot wire. I know I was broke at one point. Now I'm not as broke, but I'm still broke. I'm just smarter. So I'm gonna jack it up, but first I'm gonna try and jump that starter, see if it does anything, and then we'll take this wheel off so I can route the wire back to the back, and then I have a new starter that I'm gonna try and swap out, but it might be a pain just because I have an RB25 and a KA transmission, and sometimes they don't give you the right space to pull bolts out. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so this is my power cable. You can see right there, no bueno. I tested the starter, I jumped it, and it cranked. So I don't know exactly what that means, but I'm gonna replace this regardless and replace the starter. Why not? Should be a quick job, hopefully, right? Right. Alright, we're back. Good news, not the starter. Better news, not the wiring. But I did put a new wire in here, all the way back, and I even put a little grommet in here so it doesn't rub through next time. So, that's good. I added a little bit more space here. I raised the car a little bit. That way, hopefully, we don't do any bumps and rubs. Car starts up every time, no problem. It's got a hesitation issue. I think this little nipple I put on here is not holding vacuum, so I need to get a smaller, skinnier one because it went on too easy. There might be other vacuum leaks, but I'm going to pressure test the system with soapy water and everything and figure out what's going on. But the issue was just right here. See that splice with the blue? That's for the neutral safety switch. When you push the clutch in, it basically tells that it's ready, it's okay to start. So is this plug here, I just cut it off. I don't know what it was plugged to before. I don't know, I was moving this fuse box around and stuff because I was dealing with the headlight issue. Hopefully we'll get those parts in and fix those as well. But I figured, finally went through the wiring diagram and jumped the pins, and it starts every time. I don't know where it was before, so that's bothering me. But I'm just gonna have to ignore it like everything else that's wrong with this car, because when it works, it's amazing and fun and not dangerous on the road. So hope you guys are not getting bored. I'm trying to keep stuff coming out, but when dumb stuff like this comes up, it kind of puts a wrench in my plans. I still got to rebuild the rear calipers. I'm excited for that, and to do the hydro e-brake. I don't know, I might not actually get to that before the alignment, and the hydro e-brake's not going to mess with the alignment at all. As long as it's able to move right now is all I really care about. But thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Big dog man with your rifle.